So hello everyone. Actually, I have started reading a lot of books which are non-fiction and which are self-help books. But I have noticed that the guys or the people who read the literature, especially the Indian literature and other countries' literature also, like Plato you can say, or Osho you can say. So after reading those things, most of the people become atheists. So if you don't know what is atheist, then let me explain. Atheists are those people who do not believe on any god, who do not believe that there is any existence of God. So I used to fear that if I will go into the literature, then I will also become the atheist, or something will change inside me and which will lead me to not believe in God. But I do believe in God. Now I am not an atheist. So these things stopped me from reading literatures. But another question came into my mind, that what does atheists think about, like why they change. So to experience this, I also want to read literature so that I can see that things inside me, that how those things are changing and those things are making the people atheists. So if you are wondering that it's not like that anybody reads literature or these kind of books then they will become atheist. But you can see most of the examples, who the guys who have read these kind of things have become an atheist. You can see a lot of influencers, a lot of people who used to talk on the YouTube or in the TV shows, wherever you see. One of the example I got is one guy is there in my office who read literature a lot because he was preparing for the IAS, and after that he became an atheist. He used to say that he used to believe God a lot. He used to believe the things which his family taught him, like these things should not be done, like all about the things about the God, or all about the things about the religions. So after that, but he used to say now that he is an atheist now. Actually, he don't call him an atheist. He calls him protagonist, which means that he do not want to talk about these things. So the thing is that if I am seeing live examples that people are getting changed while reading these kind of things. But one thing there is in my mind, that why people change. Why can't, what actually atheist thinks. After reading a lot of books, what you will get, you will just ask questions. You will stop believing all of the things which your family has taught, or which the society has taught you, that these things are real and you have to do like these things. They totally stop thinking those things. They totally stop believing those things. So why this happens? So the only thing which I got from a little bit of research is that